Stop by and take a look at the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power steering wheel leather wrapped, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.